So this is a real good tutorial on how to roll your sprag. Now if you look here, what's this blue line here? Who cares? Whatever. Air shifter chooched right about where throttle position went 100%, you know? I don't know if I got my trans brakes, probably this blue line right here. Yeah, it's trans brakes on. I start to stomp it. Well, the air shifter, is right here. It's at this intersection. Why did that happen? It's supposed to happen at, not 3,700 RPMs. Well, it has to do with this throttle position right here, because if you suck at tuning, you can go over here, and I had throttle position above, and we need all sensor inputs, or single, I don't know, whatever. I had that screwed up, whatever. I don't know why we care what the throttle position's doing, but we're harnessing the power learning curve here. So if you hate your transmission, just shift a second right in the middle of your trans brake.